Hello, my name is Aaron and welcome to another video. Today we're doing a Lightroom Classic tutorial on how to make a HDR image. So HDR image is a high dynamic range image and it is very simple to do in Lightroom Classic. So what you need first is 3 images of the same scene but with different contrasts. Now on Sony Alpha cameras this is done by using the continuous bracket drive mode. But as you can see here, we've got one with normal exposure, one underexposed and one overexposed. And simply all you have to do is select all 3 of these together and then right click and go to Photo Merge and then HDR. This will create a preview while you wait, and you can see it's come up quite quickly for me there. And you have the settings here to auto align, so I'd leave that selected, and auto settings, which applies auto tone and colors to the merged HDR. You also have deghost amount, which is basically if something is moving around in between shots, it will reduce the amount of that. I've got it on high here, but there isn't really anything moving, so I'll probably go for medium on one like this. See, the preview takes a few seconds, and then you simply press merge. So it takes a few seconds to create your HDR image using the sample images you've got below that you've used there. I've used 3 here, but you could use many as long as you've got those different levels of exposure between them and there's no differences between the images, so you don't want to be moving it around. You're best taking HDR images on a tripod really. Once it's done, it will load into your collection bar and you can see here it just behaves like any other image, so you could apply a filter and then you could boost the colors, whatever you fancy. Whatever editing you would like to do to it, you just do as normal. And then once you're done editing, you export it in the normal way by going to File and Export. So just a quick tutorial today from me on how to make a HDR image on Lightroom Classic 2019. If you've enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel, but until next time, see ya.